Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hi and all of you, hope so you are fine and shine as always. Myself Mohammad Imran. Today I will show you how to check virus and delete the virus without using CD or any other software. The video is containing too much tricky one tips. You have to follow all the instructions which I am going to do in front of you. By using these type of commands, you can overcome how to delete and how to detect the virus without using any software. That one is too much tricky, so just focus on it. And when we will detect the virus, we can delete virus with command manually. So follow the instructions. First of all, click Windows icon as I am doing. Now type cmd. When you will see cmd command, you have to right click on it and go to run as administrator. Click on it. You will see a window which contains two options, yes or no. Just click on yes. Now you can see that black screen will be appear in front of your eyes. As these are the instructions I have read. First, click Windows icon, type cmd, open it through run as administrator. Cmd will be open. Now the third one is type cd. CD contains, it means that you will come to the C drive directly. You can see that CD and slash, it means it comes from Windows System 32 back and return back to C drive. Now mostly in C drive you have to check .inf files or .exe files in the drive. Generally C drive doesn't contain any .inf or extension files, but if you will, then you have to detect and delete the virus. So let's come. Now type here. Now let's check type attrib. Here attrib, press enter. Now you can see that there is no .inf file or .exe file. C drive is clear. If you will see such type of extensions, just write attrib space dash s. S means select, dash h means hidden, remove, dash I and the file name. When after you detect the file name, now further you have to del and write the name of the file will be deleted. Now I have no enough files so which containing .inf or exe extensions. I have to move forward. So if you find it, then type attrib .s means select, hidden files and remove I autorun.inf or something which is mentioned above. Then type del file name to delete the virus. Next, now we have checked the file, we have to check the folder C drive. Now we have to move forward to system 32. Type cd system 32. So if you want to go to folder in C drive, then we have to type cd and folder name system 32. First of all we have to go to Windows Winsteric. Now we have come to Windows, and in Windows we have a folder system 32. Now type here system 32. Now you can see that. Now here again write attrib. Now you have to check. Now we need to find any of shr files, apply to commands as we did above. Now same with app data. So first of all, now we have to check either I have contain .inf or exe file which we mentioned. So here that one is too much tricky. You have to find it very clearly. Either you have or not. You have to visit all the files which contain .inf or exe file which is shr Now let me check, either I have or not. Still I didn't see any of them because my window is running very good and having no virus. So check the files from top to the bottom. But yes, here dot dll ocx, still I have no file. Reset web, again I am checking the files. xpr hv wrg doll. Suppose I have found a .exe file which name xpsrchv. So I didn't see any virus in my system32. If you will, then write attrib s, select hidden files and remove I and write the file name. File not found. Let me check. I have write the correct name, xpsrchvw. So you can see that this one is not a virus, so that's why it show me the message access denied. Same like that app data. Let me check app data system32. There is no app data in cmd program files cd program files. So you can see that I have no virus in my computer, so that's why I didn't get any command. If you will, then just use these commands and delete files. And thank you for watching. Have a blessed day and just be tuned on and just keep watching my videos as usual. Thank you so much.